Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix no sound in Adobe After Effects. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in the desktop. So the first thing that you need to do guys is search for Adobe After Effects. And then once you do that, once you find Adobe After Effects, go ahead and right click on it. And here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find Run as Administrator. Go ahead and run it as an administrator. Then click on Yes. And then, as you can see, guys, Adobe After Effects will run as an administrator. So once Adobe After Effects is open, go ahead and try to go back to your project and then see if your problem is fixed. If not, go ahead and follow the steps that I will show you. So first of all, go ahead and right click on your taskbar. And then once you do that, go ahead and click on Task Manager. Then once you click on Task Manager, right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of the processes and also all of the sections that are available. So right here in the sections, go ahead and search for the details section. And then once you do that right here, as you can see guys in this list, you need to search for Adobe After Effects .x. So go ahead and right click on it. And then here you're going to find end task and process tree, efficiency mode. And here you're going to find set priority. Go ahead and click on set priority. And here you're going to find the normal priority, above normal, high, and real time. Go ahead and try to give it higher priority. So right here, you're going to find this message saying, do you want to change the priority for After Effects? Go ahead and click on change priority. So basically, guys, what this option do is it gives more resources to After Effects. So if you think the problem is from your computer, try this option and it might be helpful. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.